Action! Hi! Sige na! Hello guys, good evening. It's Monday nights here. Monday nights? Oh, Monday. Okay, I just want to make some video, very small video. Actually, I'm not planning, but I am just thinking because I'm going to cook with a chicken curry. Chicken curry! Curry! Don't eat the pin, baby. Don't eat. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my ingredients. I have just to make it simple. Simple but delicious. Alright. Okay. I'm not gonna. Okay. There is potato and carrots. Then onion, garlic, and bell pepper. Then some of the chicken wings. With also some other meat. Okay, and then I have to make the coconut. Okay, I sent my niece to the market this afternoon, and she buy the whole coconut and also the grind. There, so what I have to do, I have to put some water. Come on. Oh my God, I can't open the sink. Ito, ikaw open. In English. I said, you have to open. Ikaw to open. That means I cannot avoid to speak Ilonggo because we were Filipina. Okay, I put 1 cup of this. So I have to add some because it's small. So I have another cup put in, then I have to hand squeeze so the juice it comes out from the meat. So the meat I have to throw it away. I only need is a juice. Coconut juice. Wow. Hi. We're just always playing with my niece, joking. We were classmates. So we're classmates, homemates, everything. Best friend, BFA forever. Walang forever? Walang forever. May forever pa ba ngayon?
Walang forever!
Okay lang yan. It's okay. Even if no forever, it's also there have a true loves. So if you find a true loves, you can find forever too. Yeah. Like me. Oh my God, it hurts my hands. Because so I have to squeeze.
Your hand is black.
So the juice it will comes out. Then there's more. Squeeze. And some more squeeze. Then have to use the strainer here, then strain so all the juice comes down, and then the meats come deep to the strainer. Okay, that is oh my god. Okay, alright. Okay. I put the garlic already. Garlic first and onions. Chicken curry dai fast food. Onions is ready now. So I have to do that. Alright, here's the chicken right now. It's almost finished. But it still have to boil and the bell pepper is still there. So, it's almost ready. And it was still boiling. Wow! Chicken curry. Okay guys. Okay. My chicken curry it's ready now. So they're waiting on the table. And say hi to my niece. Hi. Hi guapa. Okay, here's my chicken curry. It's ready to deliver to the table. Open the door for me.
If I start taking that light and turning it down, with a rheostat, what we call a rheostat, it'll get darker and darker and darker. That's called less bright.
They're here. Hi.
Oh, hi.
Are you ready to eat my chicken curry?
In that. No, Opal.
God.
Gotta learn my language here.
Okay. Alright, so they're waiting.
Slow the camera down. You're moving it too fast.
Yes, okay. That was the chicken curry.
Wow.
And I hope they like it.
Chicken curry?
Yes, chicken
Okay.
curry.
I know I'm gonna love it.
Alright.
If not, I'll try all night.
Okay, so thank you for watching our channel.
Cooking channel now turned out to be.
Please like and subscribe.
Uh-oh.
And by the way, I'm going to travel tomorrow to the farm. So let's see on my next video, my Marley video. I'm gonna make with so much about the farm here. So good night.
Good night. You're doing good, girl. We're here. It's all working. Good food. How's yours? Good? How's yours? Good, Flo? And yours? Mine I haven't tried yet.